Hello everyone and welcome to Storytime today. Are you ready to get started? Here we go. Hi, hello, and how are you? How are you? How are you? Hi, hello, and how are you? How are you today? Hi, hello, and how are you? How are you? How are you? Hi, hello, and how are you? How are you today? Bravo, my friends. All right, let me see those big hello hands. My hand says hello. My hand says hello. Every time I see my friends, my hand says hello. My chin says hello. My chin says hello. Every time I see my friends, my chin says hello. My feet say hello. My feet say hello. Every time I see my friends, my feet say hello. My hands say hello. My hands say hello. Every time I see my friends, my hands say hello. Good job. Can we do the more we get together? Here we go. The more we get together, together, the more we get together, the happier we'll be. 'Cause your friends are my friends and my friends are your friends. The more we get together, the happier we'll be. Bravo. All right, my friends, you know the drill. Here we go. Rum-pum-pum, this is my drum. Rum-pum-pum, this is my drum. My name is... Do you know? Can you yell it out as loud as you can? Good job, Miss Kate. On the count of 3, I want you to yell your name out as loud as you can. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Well done. All right, everyone, let's see if you know your colors today. Ready? If you're wearing blue today, blue today, blue today. If you're wearing blue today, stand up and shout hooray! If you're wearing orange today, orange today, orange today. If you're wearing orange today, stand up and shout hooray! If you're wearing red today, red today, red today. If you're wearing red today, stand up and shout hooray! If you're wearing white today, white today, white today. If you're wearing white today, stand up and shout hooray! If you're wearing yellow today, yellow today, yellow today. If you're wearing yellow today, stand up and shout hooray! If you're wearing pink today, pink today, pink today. If you're wearing pink today, stand up and shout hooray! Good job. All right, everyone. Today we have some books about the wind, because it's been a pretty blustery couple of days, I think. And how do you know that the wind is blowing? What do you see moving? The trees? Or maybe your hair? Or maybe some grass? Or the leaves on the trees, of course. That's all right. So, our first book today is called The Wind Blew. And this is by Pat Hutchins, and it comes to us from our friends over at Aladdin Books. So here we go. The wind blew. The wind blew. It took the umbrella from Mr. White and quickly turned it inside out. Oh my goodness. It snatched the balloon from little Priscilla and swept it up to join the umbrella. Can you tell what color that balloon is? Blue. Good job. And not content, it took a hat, and still not satisfied with that. Oh my goodness, what's it going to take next? It whipped a kite into the air and kept it spinning around up there. My goodness, kites are fun. It grabbed a shirt left out to dry and tossed it upward toward the sky. Oh no. It plucked a hanky from a nose and up and up and up it rose. My goodness, look at all this stuff up in the sky. It lifted the wig from the judge's head and didn't drop it back. Instead, it whirled the postman's letter up as if it hadn't done enough. These poor people. It blew so hard it quickly stole the striped flag fluttering on a pole. Oh no! It pulled the new scarves from the twins and tossed them up to other things. My goodness. It sent the newspapers fluttering around, then tired of the things it found, it mixed them up and threw them down. Oh dear. And blew away to sea. There it goes. The end. That's a silly book. I hope the wind gave everything back to everybody who needed it. That's silly, silly wind. Do you know how to pretend to be the wind? Can you blow out real hard like this? On the count of 3, I want you to do it as hard as you can. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Good job. All right. On windy days, it can be rainy or it could be sunny. And I think we should see if Mr. Sun wants to come out and play. So let me see your big old sun. Here we go. Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, won't you please shine down on me? Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, hiding behind the tree. These little children are asking you to please come out so we can play with you. Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, won't you please shine down on me? Bravo, my friends. All right, on the count of 3, I want you to catch your bumblebee, okay? Ready? 1, 2, 2.5, 2 3/4, 3. Did you get him? Good job. Here we go. I'm bringing home a baby bumblebee. Won't my mommy be so proud of me? I'm bringing home a baby bumblebee. Ouch! He stung me. I'm squishing up my baby bumblebee. Won't my mommy be so proud of me? I'm squishing up my baby bumblebee. Ugh, it's icky. I'm wiping off my baby bumblebee. Won't my mommy be so proud of me? I'm wiping off my baby bumblebee. Uh-oh, what's all dirty? The floor's all dirty. I'm mopping up my baby bumblebee. Won't my mommy be so proud of me? I'm mopping up my baby bumblebee. Now mommy won't be mad at me. Well done, everyone. All right, who wants to go to the moon? I do. All right, we gotta be safe though, right? So reach your way up high in the sky, grab your helmet, bring it down, go click, click. Give it a good clunk. All right, here we go. Ready? Zoom, zoom, zoom. We're going to the moon. Zoom, zoom, zoom. We're going to the moon. If you want to take a trip, climb aboard my rocket ship. Zoom, zoom, zoom. We're going to the moon. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off! Good job. All right, friends, let me see those roly-poly hands. Are you ready? Roly-poly, roly-poly, out, 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 out. Roly, roly-poly, roly, roly-poly, in, in, in. In, 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 roly-poly, roly-poly, up, 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 roly, roly-poly, roly, roly-poly, down, 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 roly-poly, roly-poly, fast, 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 roly, roly, poly, roly, roly, poly. Slow, 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 slow. Roly, poly, roly, poly. Loud, 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 loud. Roly, roly, poly, roly, roly, poly. Soft, 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 soft. Good job. All right, friends, we have time for one more book. Are you ready? This is called When the Wind Blew. And this is by Allison Jackson and illustrated by Doris Barrett and comes to us from Henry Holt & Company. And this book is about the nursery rhymes and what happens when the wind interferes with the nursery rhymes. So I want to see if you can count how many nursery rhymes we mentioned. Ready? Rock-a-bye baby in the treetop. When the wind blew, the cradle did rock. And when it blew harder, the cradle took flight and settled atop an old shoe laced up tight. The woman and children who lived in the shoe were nestled inside, but they knew what to do. They rescued the infant before he could fall, intent on returning him, cradle and all. The group spied a tree with a lone broken bough. Its branches were covered in wool mittens now. Oh dear, sighed the woman, the wind is too strong. We must take these mittens back where they belong. She gathered her children and trekked to the spot where 3 sobbing kittens sat shamed and distraught. They barely arrived when a powerful gale rushed over their heads, leaving Jack and Jill's pail. The family then trudged to a sloping green hill, where they hauled the pail over to poor Jack and Jill. But when they approached the unfortunate pair, a small woolly lamb tumbled out of the air. Oh my goodness. As Mary lamented the loss of her pets, the woman declared, I am not finished yet. She hurriedly led the lost animal back when along came a candlestick owned by young Jack. He'll need this for jumping, the old woman said, so she guided her family to Jack's house instead. The woman and children were entering town when a torrent of money began raining down. The coins had been swept from the king's counting room, and the woman surmised he'd be missing them soon. The group made their way to the house of the king, where they spotted a staff, which had just taken wing. Can you see the staff here, blowing through the wind? I wonder who that belongs to. The staff had been stolen from Little Bo Peep. She tried to retrieve it and lost all her sheep. With one sudden gust, the staff hurtled away as a horn spiraled up from a large pile of hay. The instrument's owner was Little Boy Blue, but the woman now longed for her comfortable shoe. Without any warning, the wind seized her clan, and the storm led them back to where this story began. It's a very strong wind. To the treetop they flew and were grateful to see that the cradle now rocked in its place in the tree. The baby was sleeping in blankets wrapped tight, for the wind had now shifted and set all things right. The kitten's soiled mittens were laundered and dried. The pail now returned, Mary's lamb by her side. The staff, horn, and candlestick all were restored, and the king had resumed adding coins to his hoard. The woman and children returned to their shoe, but discovered they'd learned a lesson or two. From kitten to king, they examined the cost of constantly grasping for things that are lost. Though the wind never raced with such fury again, the old woman thought of that day now and then. And by keeping her most prized possessions in view, she was always reminded of when the wind blew. And there were quite a few fairy tales in there. Did you guys recognize any of them? I think we touched on Little Bo Peep, who lost her sheep, and Mary had a little lamb, And Rockabye Baby, the old woman in the shoe. What else did we read about? I think it was Old King Cole and Little Boy Blue and Jack be nimble, Jack be quick, Jack jump over the candlestick. A very clever retelling of how the wind can change everybody's life, just like that. All right, my friends, that is all we have time for today. So let me see those big goodbye hands. Here we go. Goodbye, see you soon. Goodbye, see you soon. Goodbye, see you soon on another day. Goodbye, see you soon. Goodbye, see you soon. Goodbye, see you soon on another day. Well done, everyone. I hope you all have a wonderful, wonderful day. If it's windy outside, make sure you bundle up and put your hat on your head nice and tight. Be sure to check out the comments below for a fun wind-themed craft that you can do with the whole family, and we'll see you guys again soon. Bye-bye.